This is a sampled questions for Transport Canada Aircraft Maintenance Engineer mock test for standard and practices. Part 2. Before that, please don't forget to like, subscribe so you will be notified for my new video. Question: what does a duplex bearing look like? Question: what type of bearing is used for radial loads only? Question: what are the two materials that control cables are made of? Question: what size cable can you use as woven splice, and is it acceptable on an AC? Question: what percent of the NICO press strength is the cable restored to? Question: how is the hardness of the metal rate? Question: where does the developer put when using water-soluble dye penetrant? Question: what happens to a hydraulic line when it is put under pressure? Question: what kind of line is this? Question: how many sides are visible on an isometric drawing? Question: which drawing has vertical lines and 30-degree lines? Question: what is a schematic diagram? Question: where is the little block located? Question: which metal tester leaves a spherical indentation? Question: what is the color of avgas 100 high lead? Question: what is a Henry coil? Question: what tool is used for measuring the center of a cylinder of round stock? Question: what is the minimum cable diameter for primary control cable? Question: when is the use of a 7/19 extra flexible cable? Question: when using a liquid penetrate, how long does it take to use a developer? Question: steel is best hardened by quenching it in what? Question: why is lead used with an X-ray inspection? Question: and bolts are usually of what class of thread? Question: thermosetting plastics can be reshaped? Question: can clevis bolts be used for what? Question: what is the best method for testing for intergranular corrosion in aluminum? Question: what means 7/19? Question: what is used to properly oversize a hole? Question: external threads are put on a tube with? Question: wide-cut fuels comprised of Question: what is Monel composed of? Question: which of the followings have the lower specific gravity? Jet fuel, avgas, water, mercury. Question: what does 18-8 steel denote? Question: what is BTU equivalent to? Question: internal threads on a tube are made with what? Question: what is the force that makes a metal separate at the point of stress? Question: know the diameter and length of a rivet? Question: know what an 320 to 10 Schur castle nut is? Question: what is the minimum edge distance for rivets? Question: what is the formula for rivet diameter? Question: how is called measuring unit of the metal shear resistance? Question: how is called the bend allowance largest radius? Question: what does SAE stand for? Question: if you have a positive output with no inputs at the gate, what will do the same? Question: What is the international color symbol for hydraulic line? Question: how is called the high resistance to combustion and doesn't evaporate easily? Question: which value corresponds to a horsepower, 1 horsepower? Question: when using a dye penetrant, what should be done when trying to find a minute crack? Question: what is the approximate air pressure at sea level? Question: nitriding is a process by which? Thank you for watching.